Hello everyone. Welcome back to Everything Deck. In this video, we are going to be discussing about what is affiliate marketing, its benefits, its disadvantages, why should you do affiliate marketing and steps to start affiliate marketing. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where an affiliate earns a commission for promoting someone else's product or service. The affiliate promotes the product or service to their audience through various marketing channels, and when a sale is made through their unique affiliate link, they earn a percentage of the sale as commission. Here are some key components of affiliate marketing. 1. Affiliate. An affiliate is a person or company who promotes the product or service of another company in exchange for a commission. Affiliates can be individuals, bloggers, influencers, or companies. 2. Merchant. The merchant is the company or product owner who wants to increase sales through affiliate marketing. They provide the product or service and offer commissions to affiliates who promote their products. 3. Affiliate network. An affiliate network is a platform that connects merchants with affiliates. Affiliate networks manage tracking, payments, and reporting for both merchants and affiliates. 4. Commission structure. The commission structure is the percentage of the sale that the affiliate receives as a commission. Commission rates can vary depending on the product, service, or merchant. 5. Affiliate link. An affiliate link is a unique URL that contains a tracking code that identifies the affiliate. When a customer clicks on the affiliate link and makes a purchase, the affiliate is credited with the sale. 6. Promotional channels. Affiliates can promote products through various channels, including their website, social media, email marketing, paid advertising, and other online platforms. Benefits of affiliate marketing. Low cost. Affiliate marketing is a low-cost marketing strategy since merchants only pay affiliates when they make a sale. Increased sales. Affiliate marketing can increase sales and revenue for merchants by reaching new audiences and increasing brand awareness. High ROI. Affiliate marketing can have a high return on investment, ROI, since merchants only pay commissions for sales that are made. Reach. Affiliates can help merchants reach new audiences and expand their reach beyond their existing customer base. Brand awareness. Affiliate marketing can increase brand awareness by exposing products or services to new audiences. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy that benefits both merchants and affiliates. It can increase sales and revenue for merchants while providing affiliates with a way to earn passive income through promoting products or services they believe in. While there are many benefits to affiliate marketing, there are also some potential disadvantages to consider. Here are some of the main disadvantages of affiliate marketing. 1. Commission rates. While some affiliate programs offer generous commission rates, others may offer very low rates. This can make it difficult for affiliates to earn a significant amount of money through promoting products. 2. Competition. With so many affiliates promoting the same products, there can be a lot of competition. This can make it difficult for individual affiliates to stand out and attract customers. 3. Dependence on merchants. Affiliates are dependent on the merchants they promote to provide high-quality products, reliable tracking, and timely payments. If a merchant fails to deliver on any of these aspects, it can negatively impact the affiliate's business. 4. Payment delays. Some affiliate programs have long payment processing times, which can be frustrating for affiliates who rely on this income stream. 5. Legal requirements. Affiliate marketers may be required to disclose their affiliate relationships and comply with various legal requirements, such as the FTC's guidelines on disclosure and advertising. 6. Limited control. Affiliates have limited control over the products they promote, the pricing, and the marketing materials. This can make it difficult to customize promotions to their specific audience. In summary, affiliate marketing has several potential disadvantages, including low commission rates, competition, dependence on merchants, payment delays, legal requirements, and limited control. These factors should be considered before committing to an affiliate marketing program. Why should you start affiliate marketing? There are several reasons why you might consider doing affiliate marketing. 1. Passive income. Affiliate marketing can provide a source of passive income, which means you can earn money while you sleep. Once you have set up your promotions, you can continue to earn commissions without actively promoting the products. 2. Low cost. Starting an affiliate marketing business is relatively low cost compared to other business models. You don't need to create your own product or service, and you don't need to invest in inventory or equipment. 3. Flexibility. Affiliate marketing offers flexibility in terms of where and when you work. You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection, and you can work on your own schedule. 4. Unlimited earning potential. There is no limit to how much you can earn with affiliate marketing. Your earnings are directly tied to your ability to drive sales, so the more you promote and the better you do it, the more money you can make. 5. Variety. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote a wide variety of products and services, so you can find products that are a good fit for your audience and your interests. 6. Skill building. Affiliate marketing can help you develop valuable skills such as marketing, copywriting, and sales. These skills can be useful in other areas of your life and career. In summary, affiliate marketing can provide a source of passive income, is low cost, offers flexibility, has unlimited earning potential, provides variety, and can help you develop valuable skills. If these factors align with your goals and interests, affiliate marketing may be worth considering. Here are some steps to help you start affiliate marketing. 1. Choose a niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is to choose a niche. This is the area in which you will focus your promotions. It's important to choose a niche that you are interested in and have some knowledge of, as this will make it easier to create content and promote products effectively. 2. Choose affiliate programs. Once you have chosen a niche, you can start looking for affiliate programs that offer products or services that are a good fit for your audience. Some popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. 3. Create a website or blog. A website or blog is an essential tool for affiliate marketers. It allows you to create content, promote products, and build an audience. You can create a website using a platform like WordPress, and then choose a theme and design that fits your niche and brand. 4. Create content. Content is the key to driving traffic and sales through affiliate marketing. You can create blog posts, product reviews, tutorials, videos, and social media posts that promote your affiliate products. Your content should be informative, engaging, and focused on your audience's needs and interests. 5. Drive traffic. Once you have created content, you need to drive traffic to your website or blog. You can use various marketing channels to do this, including social media, email marketing, paid advertising, and search engine optimization, SEO. 6. Track your results. It's important to track your results and analyze your data to see what's working and what's not. You can use tools like Google Analytics and affiliate tracking software to monitor your traffic, conversions, and earnings. 7. Keep learning and improving. Affiliate marketing is an ongoing process, and there is always room for improvement. Keep learning about your niche, your audience, and the latest marketing techniques and strategies, and use this knowledge to improve your promotions and increase your earnings. In summary, to start affiliate marketing, you need to choose a niche, find affiliate programs, create a website or blog, create content, drive traffic, track your results, and keep learning and improving. With persistence and dedication, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and rewarding business. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Stay tuned for the next video.